Those who are appearing for UPSC Mains this year, regarding the essay writing, I want to tell one important tip that might definitely help you in the next 2 weeks. You might have written more than 10 essays by now, but take essay paper, take some 5 to 6 essays. For each essay, just write down, brainstorm and write down different dimensions or examples or theories or concepts or suggestions that you want to cover. And 3 to 4 friends who are writing mains this year can sit down, all of you can write like that, and then mutually exchange the papers and discuss among yourself who is able to write better dimensions, better suggestions, better introduction, better examples and concepts and theories. When you look at the papers of others, definitely you will get better ideas. Similarly, your friends can learn from you. It's always better to look at the ideas of the others. This is completely different from evaluation. If you write a mains essay answer and go for evaluation, evaluator would only tell you the improvements in your answer. But when you see others' answers, you can learn completely new dimensions and new ideas. And all these things will help you as you go to the mains exam hall and look at the essay question. Easily you can get the better dimensions and better brainstorming will happen. So make use of it. Also, at Sarat Chandra IAS Academy, we are conducting free essay mock tests and free GS 1, 2, 3, 4 mock tests under the name of Alukaran. You can click on the link below, enroll in this free mock test series, write down the exams and get them evaluated instantly. All the best.